Mastering definite quantitative adjectives in English. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our journey in English language learning. Today, we're going to take a closer look at an integral part of English grammar, definite quantitative adjectives. This specific type of adjectives lets us precisely define or limit the amount of a noun, making our communication clearer and more detailed. So, let's dive right in. In English, definite quantitative adjectives are used to specify the exact quantity or degree of a noun. Unlike indefinite quantitative adjectives that give a vague or approximate idea about the quantity, these adjectives provide an exact number or amount. Words like 5, 10, all, none, each, every, either, neither, both, and half are commonly used definite quantitative adjectives. For example, in the sentence, "She has 5 cats," 5 is a definite quantitative adjective describing the exact number of cats she has. Using definite quantitative adjectives correctly can really enhance your English writing and speaking. Remember, these adjectives always come before the noun they modify. For example, I ate 2 apples, not I ate apples too. Also, they can't be used without a noun unless it is clear what the noun is from context. For example, if someone asks, "How many cookies did you eat?" you can reply, "I ate 3, and it's understood you mean 3 cookies. Let's familiarize ourselves with some common definite quantitative adjectives and how to use them. 1. All. Used when referring to the total quantity or extent of a certain noun. Example, all children love candy. 2. None. Used when there's no quantity or extent of the noun. Example, none of the pizzas were left. 3. Each. Used when referring to every member of a group as individuals. Example, each student needs to submit their assignment. 4. Every. Used when you mean all members of a group, without exception. Example, every person in the room was silent. 5. Either. Used when referring to one or the other of two. Example, you can have either the chocolate cake or the cheesecake. 6. Neither. Used when referring to not one or the other of two. Example, neither option was appealing to me. 7. Both. Used when referring to two of something. Example, I liked both movies. 8. Half. Used when you want to express that something is divided into 2 equal parts. Example, I ate half the cake. Remember, using these adjectives accurately will help you express quantities precisely and make your communication more effective. And that's a wrap on our lesson about definite quantitative adjectives. Remember, these are the adjectives that allow us to give specific details about the quantity or amount of a noun, making our communication more exact and vivid. We hope this has been helpful in your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and you'll master them in no time. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.